Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix laptop Messenger video call problem. So let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your PC. Once you're on Facebook Messenger, click on the three dots in the top right corner. And then from the menu, click on the Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security from the left-hand side menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Site Settings, and then scroll down to Permissions section. And then in this section, select the camera option. Ensure the option Sites can ask to use your camera is checked. Then scroll down and check the Not Allowed to Use Your Camera list. If you see Facebook Messenger here, remove it. Go back to the Permissions section and then select Microphone. Just like with the camera, ensure Sites can ask to use your microphone is enabled. Scroll down to the blocked list and make sure Facebook Messenger isn't listed. If it is, remove it. Now, head back to the Messenger app. Tap on the camera icon to start a video call. When you click on the camera icon, a pop-up message will appear at the top left side asking for camera and microphone access. Simply click Allow, and you're all set to make video calls. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.